Big cats are one of the most dominant carnivores in the world today, with major heavyweights like the king of the beasts itself, the lion, which specializes in team hunting strategies. Also, we have the massive toothed jaguar, which is an expert at killing crocodiles and alligators. We also have the skilled leopard, which is an agile assassin. As you can see, its agility being displayed here as it easily jumps down from the trees above. We also have the super fast cheetah, which is the fastest land animal on earth, with speeds reaching up to 80 to 130 kilometers per hour. We also have the massive tiger, which is the largest big cat on earth, with males reaching up to 10 feet in length and weighing up to 310 kgs in weight. So, in today's video, we are going to rank the big cats in a tier list from S tier to E tier, with S tier being the highest and E tier being the lowest on the list. Now let's start with the cheetah, the fastest land animal on earth, reaching speeds of up to 80 to 130 kilometers per hour. Its greatest strength is obviously its speed. Aside from its speed, it's a relatively weak animal, as it is easily bullied by other larger animals and loses up to 15% of its skills to scavengers because of the cheetah's inability to put on a good fight, since the cheetah is purely designed for speed and not for fighting. The cheetah ranks on C tier due to its inability to put up a good fight and its frequent losses of kills to other predators and scavengers. Now let's move on to the agile leopard. Although the leopard is stronger than the cheetah, the leopard's greatest strength is obviously its agility, as it can easily climb up to trees, which is very useful in protecting its skills against group hunters like lions and hyenas, and also group hunters like wild dogs, which can easily outnumber and bully solitary predators to steal their kill. Another great trait of the leopard is its amazing stealth, as it can easily approach its prey without it noticing. As you can see how the leopard stealthily and quietly kills this impala without making any noise, so as not to attract other predators. With all these impressive traits, the leopard is going to rank on B tier. Next on the list, we have the jaguar, which is bigger than the leopard and has a very powerful bite force that can even pierce through armor, which they normally use to crush the skull of potential victims, killing it instantly. Jaguars are also the most versatile big cats, being excellent swimmers in water and also being excellent climbers on the trees. And also jaguars are also very compact and strong on land too. The jaguar also have very excellent eyesight, being able to see prey hidden in camouflage and murky waters. the Jaguar is going to be ranked on A tier on the list. Next on the list is the tiger, the largest big cat in the world. Tigers rely heavily on their massive size and brute strength in winning fights, which in turn helps them take down massive prey alone. Also, tigers are the strongest big cats in a one-on-one fight with other big cats, often killing them in fights that occur in the wild or fights that are set up in captivity. Also, tigers are also very excellent swimmers, and tigers are also deceptively good jumpers too. The tiger is going to be ranked on A tier alongside the jaguar on the list. Next on the list, we have the king of the beasts itself, the mighty lion. Hunting together in groups called the pride, which enables the lions to take down very massive gigantic prey which other big cats will not even attempt to hunt. Lions can also take down massive gigantic prey when hunting alone. Hunting together in prides just makes the lions extremely overpowered. Lions can also easily bully solitary hunters and steal their meals. Even other pack hunters don't stand a chance against a pride of lions. Lion cubs also stand a higher chance of survival since they are looked after by the entire pride. With all these points listed, we are going to rank the lion, the undisputed king of the jungle, in the highest tier, S tier. Above all the other cats, the lion reigns supreme in this list in S tier as the true king of beasts. If you enjoyed this video, please endeavor to like and subscribe to my channel TJ Entertainment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel TJ Entertainment. Subscribe, and subscribe.